Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And I don't know if you guys just smashed that thumbnail because it looked super good. Wink, wink. Probably didn't, but still. Or you guys read the title of the video and you're like, I gotta watch this. But today's video is gonna be about changing my channel topic, and that's right. It has a question mark here for a reason because I may or may not be doing this. I'm gonna be talking about this throughout today's video. But before I do so, I'd really appreciate if you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. For those who are here for the first time, I usually make daily stock videos where I talk about the stocks I traded, stocks I'm planning to trade, and my overall portfolio growth. So today, just starting off the video, today's video is gonna be about, drumroll please, should I change my channel topic? And this is completely up to you, the people watching. If you're watching this video right now, it's up to you. That's right, you are important. Um, this is gonna be all going on in the comment section below because how else am I supposed to communicate with you guys, right? But I'm gonna be asking you guys, like, I have a few ideas of what I could kind of add to my channel to make it more interesting, but also like kind of spread it out more. Like, for example, entrepreneurship. Like, should I do entrepreneurship videos in general, like businesses, other businesses like social media marketing. Sorry for that long pause, but um, stocks, options, other things. I can't get everything off the top of my mind right here. I'm doing this kind of live right now on the video, but just entrepreneurship in general would be one of the things. And I'd appreciate if you guys could like comment down below which idea you guys like the most, or if you guys have an idea of your own, just put it down in the comment section below. I'll read every single one of them, and I'll probably choose the one that has the most amount of like people writing the same thing down. So the second idea, yeah, getting into the second idea is gonna be like a collab on my channel with stocks and Instagram. So like you guys can see that I made like 2 or 3 Instagram videos on my YouTube channel lately, and I don't know if they were so successful because not many people watched them. And of course, there's nothing wrong with that. I'm not saying that everyone who's interested in stocks, is going to be interested in with Instagram, right? It's a completely 2 different topics, but I could also do that on my channel, right? I could be doing Instagram and stocks on this Casper Trader channel. But the other option is that I could make a new channel for Instagram. If you guys would like, I already started a new YouTube channel for Instagram. I started making videos, but then I decided, you know what, let me just focus on Casper Trader. Um, but I could realistically make another channel for Instagram. If you guys are interested in Instagram, just comment down below. I could definitely start that channel back up and grow it. Hopefully make some nice videos for you guys, talking about everything about Instagram, how I'm growing my page, like daily growth videos in general, like I'm doing with stocks. It's a nice layout. It's a nice layout of videos. Just doing daily uploads. I think people like that. So also like teaching guys like how I'm monetizing my page after I grow it to like 1K or more followers and everything like that. I could be showing my strategies to grow, other things like that on this new YouTube channel, or again, I could do this on Casper Trader. So just comment down below, what do you guys think? I want to hear what you guys think because obviously you are the ones watching, not me. So I want to make the video content towards you guys more. And sort of the third thing that I wanted to possibly do on my channel is maybe like release a video once every week talking about how I make money, how to make money online in general. Like, I know there's a lot of YouTube channels out there, not gonna name any names, but there's big channels out there who do like videos that realistically you can't really make money off the strategies they're giving you, or it's like a one-time $1 thing that you can make. Um, yeah, so I was thinking about making like a legit make money online kind of video series where I'm gonna show you guys like business ideas and strategies to make money online, and it's not like some BS stuff where you make $1. Um, just some other stuff like that, possibly like affiliate marketing and things like that. So just comment down below what do you guys think. These are like the 3 main ideas I think in general, but if you have anything else, just comment down below. And also another option, but this may be later on in my once my channel grows and just a few like years possibly, or a few months. Nah, let's say a few months. possibly a few months or a few years later, I could make kind of a series, or just in general make it like, once I maybe show my face on my YouTube videos, but just doing like an entrepreneurship journey in general, like showing you guys every business I'm trying to look into start. Like I say, oh, maybe I'm gonna try this on Instagram, or I'm gonna try this social media marketing agency, or something like that, and letting you guys know about every business I'm looking to start, and getting your feedback on it. If you guys like, oh, don't get into that, don't trust me, it's not good, or I could try something, maybe it works out, then you guys can like replicate my success and also make money in that entrepreneur kind of strategy to make money, like a business. But yeah, those are just like my overall options I was thinking of. If you're creative enough to think of something yourself, please put in the comment section below, and I'll be checking those out and seeing whichever one commented the most often. I'll probably go with that one. Yeah, so that's just gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Yeah.